Hello everyone, Ryan Ponce with Compass, and today I'm going over the market update for March 2025. This is based off of February's numbers. So downtown San Diego is off to a pretty slow start this year. We only had 37 sales last month. There were only 30 sales in January, and so the number of sales has been pretty slow this year. There were only, so with 67 sales, if you were to divide that in half, there's an average of 33.5 sales happening per month. If you were to multiply that by 12, it would give you about 400 sales in the year is the projection. If you compare that to last year, which there were 549 sales last year, that is dramatically lower. But January and February tend to be slower months of the year. It's kind of like the year's just taking off. January's numbers are usually based off of December, what properties went into escrow in December, and then February, starts picking up, but it really takes a little while to build some traction. So the other thing that you should know is that the number of active listings has been climbing. Again, this is something that is normal in the beginning of a new year. A lot of properties come off the market November and December. People pull their properties off. They don't want them active during the holidays, and then they relist in January and February, and then also new inventory hits the market in January and February at higher than average rates. So right now we're at about 229 listings. To start off this month, we're at 223 listings. That's up about 80 listings from the start of the year. So pretty substantial jump in the amount of active listings. So inventory is growing. Buyer activity has not really picked up enough yet. The good news is rates are coming down. So mortgage interest rates are coming down. To start off the year, they were about 7.25%, and right now they're like 6.75. So they've come down about 0.5%. And we are expecting to see that number continue to come down. I've actually seen some conventional lenders as low as 6.5% right now, and VA I've actually seen some under 6% right now. So interest rates are coming down. The average sales price went up. It's over $1.1 million. Again, only 37 sales. That's a smaller sample size. So on average, if some of the higher end properties are selling, they're going to pull that average up, and that's what we saw this month. Is we saw that average price being pulled up. So it's up about 22% from January. The main reason for that is there's still activity in the higher end price ranges. Over $1 million, a property with a view is still selling fairly well. So if it's like a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, anywhere from like 1,300 to 1,700 square feet, there's still a lot of buyer demand for that. It kind of meets the buyer that's looking right now in downtown San Diego, and there's a lot of second home buyers still in the market. There's a lot of like part-time residences, like 50-50 residences for people living downtown. And so there's a lot of, there's still buyers in that segment of the market that are looking for views and a decent floor plan and a great location. So other than that, though, downtown's selling fairly slow. If you were to list your property, unless you have something that's highly in demand, like those 2 bedrooms that I was saying have views, you should likely expect anywhere from 60 to 90 days on market. Just plan for that. It might even be longer. There's actually a lot of properties that are failing to sell right now that are coming off the market because there's just not enough buyer demand for it. If you're a buyer looking in those areas that have more inventory, that really don't have as much demand, you're able to negotiate pretty good deals right now. I do expect that buyer activity will pick up this year, but as of right now, it's been fairly slow. Other than certain segments of the market, like I said, those view units. So anyway, just give me a call if you have any questions, 619-228-6790. My information's at the end of this video, and I'll see you next month.